What were some of the things that you struggled with? What are some of the things that you actually excelled with the job?
Well, as a female, I worked in a male penitentiary. So with that came its own battles, not just with the male offenders, but also with my male coworkers. I was 22 when I started working for TDCJ, and I don't want to call myself that I had a baby face, but I definitely looked younger. And when you're in that kind of environment, just like with officers that are working their beat, they want to be able to be sure that their partner has their back. And sometimes, you see somebody who looks young, who is young, and you think that they are not willing to put in the same amount of work or to potentially put their life on the line to have your back. And so I had to prove myself, not just to myself. I had to prove myself to my coworkers, my male coworkers. I had to prove myself to my supervisors, and I had to prove myself to the offender population, because as a female working in a male penitentiary, they're looking for those who they can turn to their side. And that can be a variety of things. So it was a constant battle within myself, and to realize it, not to take it personal, because I wasn't the only female working there, but I had to realize that I had to prove myself to everybody else on a daily basis,